Okey, kru semua ready untuk peserta Malaysia dan juga peserta international.
你们那边是
sila ambil
几号？
tempat
你好，
anda.
你那边9号是吗？9号是不是可以啦？9号有没有确定？对，9号，我们期待9号，9号。OK， 9号 OK 的话，帮我们拍一下，确定一下9号。OK。
Okey, peserta Malaysia boleh mula sekarang.
9号有没有拍下去？
Okey, kita sudah bermula. Okey, jadi pada peraturan
9号
hari
也
ini,
OK 啦。
okey, semua peserta diberikan masa selama 15 minit sahaja untuk melengkapkan proses angkat dan pasang CPU. For all the participants, we have given you 15 minutes to redo the CPU work.
那边还有哪一个？
Two. Pause.
No.
没有。
主板有问题。
那边主板有问题，帮我哪一个主板过去看一下啊？
マイク哪里？
Santai-santai, relax. Jangan bongkok-bongkok. Okay.
Are you ready? So we have to arrange everything.
Okey, rekod terpantas kita pada semalam adalah 10 minit dan 59 saat. Terpas
好，接着下来我们准备开始抽奖，先给个等下我们先分享完以后扫二维码，到时候抽奖。先介绍我们的产品，是什么产品先，然后分享以后就那个来给来视频来播放视频，先播放视频。
Lenson offers an all-in-one solution to meet the growing demand from end consumers for smartphone protection and personalized decoration. We are committed to assisting clients in expanding their markets, zero inventory, low investment, high returns, and international brand. Influence and scale. 50,000 plus stores, 40 plus countries with exclusive distributor partners. Collaboration with exclusive partner Grupo Prisma. Leading local brand in Ecuador with a market share of 63%. Top local brand in Turkey with a market share of 41%. Dominican Republic with a market share of 38%. Argentina with a market share of 31%. Chile with a market share of 29%. Exposições. CES Las Vegas, USA. IFA Berlin, Germany. 2023-2024 Global Sources Mobile Electronics Show, Hong Kong. 2025 Hong Kong. Trade Development Council, the China Import and Export Fair. 2023-2024 Electrola Show Sao Paulo, Brazil. MWC Barcelona, Spain. 2025 CGC World Cup, Mexico and Colombia. 2024 AWP Las Vegas, USA. 2024 EXPO Mobile Medellin, Colombia. 2024 PPAI Las Vegas, USA. 2023 Jitex Dubai.
ఆడికంటే ముందే పర్లేదు, ఏం పర్లేదు. మన 9 నిమిషాలు అయింది.
Okay, everyone. Hello, Malaysia. Listen, let me introduce about our company. We have 20 years of company for the mobile phone screen and also with phone customization business.
Hai, kami akan introducekan tentang produk company kami. Kami adalah company yang dah ada 20 tahun experience. Kami buat printing machine dan juga screen protector.
For the mobile phone screen business, we are one of the biggest supplier and we are the factory for the mobile phone screens and we have our own factory in Guangzhou, China.
Untuk mobile phone screen protector, kami adalah salah satu supplier paling besar dan juga kilang di Guangzhou, China.
We offer the most good quality and reasonable price for the mobile phone LCDs and we are the one of the biggest in the Latin America market.
Kami ada kualiti yang bagus dan juga harga yang cantik untuk screen, mobile screen juga, and then kami ada market yang sangat besar di Latin America juga.
We have our own brand, Honglove.
Kami ada brand kami sendiri, Honglove juga.
And also for the Lenson products, we focus on the mobile phone accessory customization.
Dan juga untuk Lenson, kami fokus untuk customize buat produk dalam mobile phone.
This time we come to the Malaysia and our booth is at 3A.
Kali ini kami datang ke Malaysia and then booth kami ada kat 3A.
You can go to check our latest mobile phone UV printer L7 Pro. It can print any kind of picture and any kind of case.
You boleh datang tengok printing machine kami R7 Pro yang paling latest. Dia boleh print kat mobile phone case yang mana-mana saja.
This printer is specially designed for the people who have phone accessory shops. People can get into the shop and print their case in 5 minutes.
Mesin ni design untuk orang yang ada mobile accessory, kedai mobile accessory, boleh bagi customer datang walk in untuk print gambar yang diorang nak atas phone case diorang sendiri.
The biggest advantage of this machine is you can print on any kind of case. No need a special case.
Benda paling bagus tentang mesin ni adalah dia boleh print atas phone case yang macam mana pun boleh. Tak payah special punya case.
And the operation and the maintenance is very easy and simple. Normal worker can do it in 5 minutes.
And then cara mengguna pun sangat senang. Pekerja yang biasa pun boleh guna. Dalam 5 minit boleh pandai belajar dah.
So if you want to try your own case, you can come to our booth. And we also have free samples today. You can come to our booth 3A to have a check. It's over there.
So kalau you nak print mobile case you pun boleh datang ke booth kami kat 3A. Kami boleh bagi free sample printing.
Okay, thank you for visiting Lenson and Honglove. Thank you.
Terima kasih untuk Lenson dan juga Honglove. Thank you.
And also here we have 3 cutting machine. Everyone knows it's a very famous brand. That's our cutting machine. We have lottery here.
So sini adalah cutting machine kami brand yang sangat popular, Lanson.
We have 3 people. You can scan this code and post this video on your Facebook or on your social media, and you can do this, scan this code. This is $300, this gift.
Okay, so you boleh scan QR code ni untuk join lucky draw untuk menangkan cutting machine ni.